I literally have never had it this slick before. Nobody can freaking talk to me.
I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now your own, oh, baby.
So the first thing I did was went and wet my hair because I can't find my spray bottle. And I put a little bit of conditioner in just to keep it like a little moist and, you know, not rough. And make it easier for me to work with. And I'll be looking at this mirror right here. You can't see it, but it's going to be able to help me. So if I'm not looking directly at the camera, I'm looking at a mirror in front of me. So the first thing I grab, because, oh shit, no, I lied. What I'm going to do is actually grab one of my clips and section off my hair into half. Yeah. Section it off into a half. And try to clip this part of my hair, or in fact I'm gonna grab the black scrunchy thing and do like that little thing. I know I'm looking crazy, I'm looking like Boo Boo the Clown, but whatever. And then the next thing I'm gonna grab is my white tooth comb and just detangle my hair. And I'd washed my hair yesterday, so it's like pretty detangled. Yep, it's pretty detangled, so it's not gonna make it hard for me to comb through it. And I start from the tips, the roots, I should say the root. And I don't put my hair into sections like a lot of people. My hair is not breaking off. I got this little trunk though. My hair is not breaking off, and I don't care about being really rough with my hair. It's my hair. But yeah, be as gentle as you can, but do whatever at the same time. So yep. There we go. Comb these bits out. Shrinkage is real, like, bro, look at this. Like, look at this. And then look what it goes to. So the next thing I'm gonna grab is the Eco Styler. And I'm going to legit just take like a couple fingers full. Take however amount you want. And I start slicking the sides of my hair down. Yeah, I start slicking my edges down first. Just to get that first little ponytail in. See? So I can brush it all the way down. Then I grab more. And can't really see from the back, but literally just brush it down. Like, make this part as flat as possible. Like, this is what I'm doing to the back. Making it as flat as possible so you can gather it up for a ponytail. And you can split it into smaller sections. Oh god, the water's running all my face. You can split it into smaller sections if you want, but I don't normally do that. And then after that, I grab my bristle brush and I start to collect it and brush it down. And I do that all around. So like what I'm doing here, I do all around my head. Make sure you have enough gel. And literally pretend you're doing a ponytail. See if you can see that. Yep. The part, oh Jesus. The part isn't perfect, but nobody's gonna see it anyways because you're gonna use the rest of this top part to cover it down. A little ponytail in the back, and that's your first section already done with. Then what I do is get rid of these ones now. And this is gonna be real quick. And I split this in half again. Like, so you see? Split it in half. There we go. And then you gather it away again. Okay. Gather it away. And grab the white tooth comb. And since my hair stopped running a lot, I'll put down my towel. And make sure there's no like tangly pieces so you can get a smooth process. But what I do, like, grab it up to the roots and I detangle. There we go. Then I grab up this side again, grab it up to the roots, and I detangle. And sorry about my face, I don't wear a lot of makeup and I've been breaking out and I've been having mad discoloration out of nowhere. Just makes me mad sad. But yeah, I'll be looking better in my next videos. At least I'll try to. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, but I'll try. And so this time, you're gonna grab up some gel and do the same process. Just slick that bad boy back. And it doesn't have to be perfect now, but you want to get it as slick as possible so the top can lay down really flat. But like I said, it does not have to be perfect. Yep. So, yep. Slick and slick. So after you're done, you want to brush it down. I'll brush it out. Especially the sides, I want to keep brushing. And my bristles aren't that hard. These are really soft bristles, or maybe they're just old. But you want to take apart the original ponytail. And I know people like to gather it and gather it and gather it, but I've realized for me that like it helps. Oh, damn, my hair tangled. Damn it. Oh shit. Whoa, that's different. Wow, that's weird. Be mad careful with your hair, guys. I'm not a patient person, but it's never happened before. But take the white tooth comb and just gather it into that other one. And some people might be like, oh my god, you're being mad rough with your natural hair. That's not what you want to do, blah blah blah. It works for me and my hair is healthy and fine, thank you. Water is running down my face again. And see, it's still pretty flat and going pretty well. Take that same pony and wrap it around twice. And then take off this one and, ooh, grab my towel. I'll keep my towel on my lap. And I want to do a middle part. So I'm not sure yet where how far back I want to go. So I'm gonna split this in a quarter, I think this is. I'm not good at math, I'm not good at fractions, whatever. But I'm gonna split it in a quarter. I'm gonna do the same thing this one time, and then I'm gonna go into the sides of my hair. So I'm gonna skip over this part. Basically, bobby pin this down. And then I'll come back when I'm about to start my two front sections. I'm back, and this is what I do to not have it fall on one side and mess up one side. Because you know when you clip something down, it always on one side. I just clip it up instead of down. And finish up this last section with you guys. And yeah, if you got this far, like, I'm really glad. Oh Jesus, you heard that? It wasn't ripping or anything. It's just really how my hair sounds. But if you got this far, like, how are you guys? Are you guys good? Like, how are you guys? Everything Gucci in the world? I hope so. But anyway, see, it's not really much hair ripping out. It's just the elasticity of my hair, I guess. That made no sense, I don't think, but so did you see how this part lifting up? I will tie that down and it will stay as flat as a piece of paper. So yeah, I'm gonna grab the rest of this gel, rub it down, even put some on the side it's on them already. Ouch. Put some on this very top bit and the very bottom, and I'm even gonna put some on the ends this time around because I was realizing that like that was really helpful towards the end. And then brush it out. Just finesse, you know. Honestly, I don't know where these parts of my hair come from. Like this curl coil, me no know where that come from. Because when my hair dry, and even sometimes with the gel, it's like that. But normally it's not really like that. And I've not put heat on my hair since I got it cut. And I did a big chop. And this time I just slick it down. Use my handiwork. So I gathered it all back like I normally do by putting it with one section and then using another band cover over it. And I'm gonna grab a little bit more gel just to get it down on these areas, like pieces like this right here. And then I'm gonna use my hand and not the brush. I like using my hand at the very end better than the brush. And then I'm gonna get this piece like this, like a triangle, put it over and tie it down. Get my ears out the way. Little piece of hair right here. Oops. Get my ears out the way. And tie it off in the back. Tie it as tight as possible in the back.
Two hours later.
I ate. I watched some YouTube videos. I did a whole bunch, like ready for the unveiling, whatever. Oh, my head hurt. No, I kid you not. This has to be the best slick yo. I am bugging beyond belief. This has to be yo. I literally have never had it this slick before. Yo. Nobody can freaking talk to me. Nobody can talk to me. Not even my babe can talk to me. Don't talk to me. Yo. And I have my edge control. I'm not even gonna put on the edge control. My edges look nice. No, sir, I can't touch it. No, man, I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna just finesse my little sideburns.
Baby, 30 billion for the account, yo. Yeah, Versace and Gucci for your body.